Every sounds makes sense if we are able to hear sounds within, inside this body and mind mechanism, then we can hear unlimited sounds with rhythm, dances with 72,000 channels. This is called nadis. Goes through 114 chakras, energy points, especially 7 vital energy point, which is called 7 chakras. This is the most well-known one. Does not matter we are involved with meditation, yoga, or mindfulness practice. Almost everybody knows about 7 chakras. This is powerful energy healing technique. See, this is universal sounds. Makes sense. It's natural. Water waves, wind, singing of bird. It's not like kinds of chaos or not that much loud, but if we close our eyes only for 30 seconds and just hear, let us hear. I'm not gonna talk. Feel the sounds of air, wind, just blowing, mind blowing. This is organic, unique, nature, universe, human being. We all are unique. We are part of whole. We are not alone. We are together. Togetherness is our reality. Whatever happening around us, everything happening within, in this body and mind mechanism, we need to calm our mind to hear those voices, rhythms, energy vibes to understand life what it is. How miracle and important is life as a human being. Only we can be, only I can be, and that beingness can bring something different. Sounds, universal sounds, like this is universal sounds. Usually we called Om, but the spelling or syllable is AUM. This sounds Om does not belongs to any religion. This is the universal sounds. It's just a letter A, U, M. When we utter AUM or any form softly, spiritually, or with more devotion. Or whatever it is, like a sounds. Just exhale the air using your nose. Don't do any om or anything if you feel you are not comfortable. Just make sounds, any sounds, like kinds of songs, dance, sounds, make sense. Do sounds. I do very comfortably om in different rhythm with different syllables, usually with devotion. Om, om, o and m, two letters. And whatever happening inside this body, always continuing some sounds, the form of A-U-M, Aum, Aum. This is miracle. By chanting Om only for 10 minutes every day, you can feel a stable peace in mind automatically. This is the universal vibes. You can try with me. Thank you very much.